guys, sorry for not posting the video on the day I said I was going to. Unfortunately, my tablet likes to act like a jackass and doesn't like to record more than 5 minutes. And unfortunately with my laptop, I don't have a good recording software right now anymore because my brother kind of deleted my recording software. So, on accident, I'm guessing, unless he did it on purpose, I had to whoop his ass. But, yeah, so I'm going to try doing it on my laptop today, so sorry the video is really shaky in that because I'm going to have to carry my laptop and try and film everything with the terrible lighting in my garage. So, this is just a makeup video real quick. But today I will be working on the car. I got my sanding disc to be able to sand off the old paint still I'm working on. And mechanic gloves and shit. But, I got my dust mask, or whatever you want to call it, respirator, whatever, outside in the garage ready for me. So today I will be going through sanding off more paint on the car. Mostly I'm working on the front end, the fenders and everything, because I have to replace the doors and the tailgate and the two rear fenders. But I'll try to get as much paint off the rear fenders as possible that we can save on the car so I don't have to put a big patch panel there. So whatever I can deal with and everything to get it done, I'm going to do. I did find a hood through Summit Racing for the car. It's going to be a 4-inch cowl hood. If you guys don't know what that is, you take a standard hood pretty much and you're going to raise up the center by however many inches. I don't have an exact picture I can show you guys or anything for it. But if you go on Google, look up cars with cowl hoods and you'll find them. Or just look up cowl hoods. C-O-W-L hoods. I believe that's how you spell it. I don't know exactly. But, pretty much, I'm putting that on the car because I do plan on changing the engine out to the car to a bigger one. And it wasn't going to fit underneath the hood and I don't feel like chopping the hood. And also I'm replacing this hood because of how badly damaged it is and how rusty it is anyway, so I figured might as well just go up to the step of hood. Now the reason why the doors and tailgate have to be replaced, the tailgate has some bad rust on it. Non-repairable rust. You won't really be able to tell how bad it is, but if you were to look on the inside of the tailgate or remove the license plate and look in there, with a good flashlight, it's all rusty on the inside, because where the bolts hold onto the chrome, water got up inside to the inside of the tailgate from inside up there, and caused the whole tailgate to rust inside. And if I really wanted to, I can go through and probably take something and probably stab a hole through the tailgate in certain spots. That's why when I walk on it, it actually bends and warps. So I got to replace tailgate, and the doors actually have 2 giant rust holes towards the front quarter panels. And that is called from the drainage that they did back then in 1981 for the El Camino. There was drainage that went to the door, and it got trapped in the bottom of the door because they plugged up the bottom drain hole. So water sat in there and rusted out the door, making a hole into it. Sorry, like I said last video, watching my cat because he's an asshole. Billy, stop it. Hey, don't make me get up from in front of my camera right now. You little asshole. But, pretty much that's the reason why I'm replacing the doors and the tailgate. Corner panels, both sides of the rear of the car around the wheel well have really bad rust. Not repairable rust. I have to go through and actually buy patch panels for this car because I don't have tools to make my own. So, I'm going to have to patch it. Which is where my friend Tyler comes into play because he knows how to do body work and stuff like I said beforehand on the last video. He can go through, do Bondo paint, welding, and that. He might even be doing my exhaust work on the car for the custom exhaust I'm putting on there. But pretty much the paint is going to be to a show quality paint job. Nothing more, nothing less. It's going to be on there for pretty much looks and set the car off. And then I'm going to be buying the rims that go with it and raking the car. If you don't know what raking the car is, for people who don't understand car terms, it's pretty much where the front end is a little bit lower and the back end is raised up higher, pretty much making the car kind of almost look like a rake in a way. I assume that's how it looks like. Don't really know. That's what I was told by multiple people what it looks like and that. But it kind of gives the car a nice stance. It looks nice when it's done properly and everything. And the back end is going to have 16-inch rims, and the front end is going to have 15. I'm going to go up one size bigger in the back, because I still need some tire in the back. and it will go back down to a 15-inch rim when I put drag racing tires on there. But when I'm cruising on the road and that, ain't gonna have drag racing tires. The tires are only gonna be for 1 inch strip. So, or in other terms, on the street drag racing. Yeah, don't do that. Get in trouble by the cops. Hey, cops, I heard that. I was joking. But this is a quick update, and then if I don't get to the video today, because if I can't figure out a way to do it with the laptop, I will find a way to get it working on my tablet where I can actually record a longer video than 5 minutes on there. So I can go through and show you everything wrong with the car that I'm going through and doing. So pretty much that's how this process is all going and everything. So as soon as I can, it'll be fixed. I have some parts I just had Summit Racing be able to email to me, the part numbers, how much it costs and everything. And for the cowl hood, the carburetor, a lot of the paint stuff, plus a wet sander for the car, is going to come out to almost $3,000. Sorry, my girlfriend messaged me. I have her on the tablet. But pretty much that's the whole process and everything. I'm going to keep you guys updated on what goes on in that. I will try to show you as best as I can. And by the way, if you guys want to know what my cat is, here he is. The fatty. Well, he's not that fat, but he's getting fat. He puts on weight like crazy. Hey, say hi. You're not gonna meow. You meow every other time I try to do recordings, but you don't want to meow now. Well, this is me, like, guys. The pain in my ass cat that likes to get into everything. Go away. Go on. No, you can't put on my gloves. But today I'll try to get a recording of the car work. And next week we'll have a recording of any parts I sanded on the car and stuff to get it all working and that. And like I said, after the body is done, like it's sanded, stripped to the possibility that I can, there's going to be very, very few updates of the car. Mainly because I'm still looking for a job to be able to get money to be able to afford more of the parts. Because like I said, the next part's carburetor. $420 down the drain for a new carburetor because I let an asshole work on my car with broke parts. And then after that, it's my hood, and I'm going to be buying the doors and the tailgate. And then I gotta buy a body tool kit so my friend can go through and pound out all the dents in my car and try to remove them as best as possible. And there goes my cat making noises. 1 second, guys. You son of a bitch, why aren't you working right? There it goes better. But, yes, I do vape. I kind of quit smoking at the moment. I still smoke every now and then, it's because I'm trying to get myself off of cigarettes and pipe tobacco and everything. And chewing tobacco, so I am using a vape at the moment trying to help me get off that. 12 milligrams of nicotine. Do not recommend doing 12 milligrams of nicotine in an RDA for any first-time vapors. Even experienced ones will say it's a dumb idea. Unless you're able to handle it like me. But, like I said, probably about 10 o'clock, 10:30 here, I'll be going outside to work on the car. After I do the video with you guys, I'm going to be Skyping my girlfriend, or I'll do the video after, or tomorrow. Tomorrow will probably be better, because I will have time to really figure out what's going on with the tablet. So I can record it on that, because I have a better image with the front camera. And it'll be harder, and I risk breaking my laptop if I do it with my laptop. So, tomorrow I'll try doing it, actually, so today is going to be work done on the car, obviously. I'm going to probably have almost the whole front clip done today, or at least the majority of it sanded down and stripped, along with the rest of the A-pillar of the car. that, so I'm going to try getting that done. And pretty much tomorrow you should have a video of what the car looks like at the moment of after today's work. So everyone stay happy, stay fresh, and get your motors on. I'm out.